To make Barclays Amazon finance payments in 2025, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a valid Barclays account and an Amazon account. If you have not already, sign up for both services and wait for your accounts to be activated. Next, link your Barclays account to Amazon by logging into your Amazon account and navigating to the Amazon Wallet section. Click on Add a Payment Method and select Barclays from the list of available banks. You will be redirected to the Barclays website where you will be prompted to log in and authorize Amazon to access your account information. Once your accounts are linked, you can make payments by selecting the Barclays payment option at checkout on Amazon. You will be asked to confirm the payment amount and authorize the transaction. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Barclays account to avoid any declined payments or overdraft fees. To set up recurring payments for Amazon finance purchases, log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Manage Your Payments section. Select the Barclays payment method and choose the recurring payment option. You will be asked to confirm the payment schedule and amount. Best practices for making Barclays Amazon finance payments include monitoring your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions and keeping your account information up to date. Additionally, consider setting up payment reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. In the event of any issues with your payment, contact Barclays customer support for assistance. They will be able to help you resolve any problems and provide guidance on how to make payments successfully. By following these steps and best practices, you can make seamless and secure Barclays Amazon finance payments in 2025. Remember to always prioritize account security and monitor your transactions to avoid any potential issues.